Not.
Perhaps the question is not.
Let me see.
What do I do with him now?
Yeah, smile, everybody. Lizzie, look at you. 1, 2, 3, finish ball.
Psst, Doris, it's me. It's Max, your ex-husband. I've come back as a sheep. Take me home, Doris. It's me, look. I can't believe you don't recognise me. I said I'd come back. Come on, Doris, remember Hastings? The two of us on a bench with a thermos. I love you. Ah, Buddhism. Great fun. OK, I'll teach you how to do this, but from now on, I get 10% of all treats. There. Not hard, is it? Your turn. Come on, it's not difficult. Of course, in the jungle, you're bound to find elephants, but also bananas. Be careful where you put the skins. Oh, Nelly. They are extremely slippery. 14 tons of embarrassment. I'm so embarrassed. Cool jumper, bitch. Actually, it's a dog, and he's got a heck of a lot of territory to mark, so he'd better get on with it. That's actually Sanskrit for my territory, get off. Oh, he's starting a new paragraph. These dogs are 80% bladder. I read that on Wikipedia, so it must be true. Good grief. Just the final bit. Yours sincerely, a dog, territory marked. Full stop. Haven't you heard? I thought everyone had heard that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. Bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. Bird is a winner when a bird, bird, bird. When a bird is a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody knows that the bird is a winner when a bird, bird. The bird's a winner. Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird. Bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a bird, bird. The bird's a winner when a don't you know about the bird? Well, everybody's wondering about the bird. The bird's a winner. Papa, mama, mama, papa, mama, mama, papa, mama, mama, papa.
Hello?
This is it. We're going into the top 10. And at 10, give me that camcorder. This dog fancies himself as a bit of a film director. Could it be Guy Bitchy? Makes you realise what fun it is being a dog, though, doesn't it? Please, Lord Buddha, let me come back as a dog. At 9, high-pitched parrot.
Ba, ba, black sheep, happy, happy, warm. Yes, sir, yes, sir, free bang.
Good up until the Kenneth Williams bit at the end. At 8, you know your personal hygiene's shot when this happens. Uh-oh. What? Why pretend? We've all done it. At number 7, down another tinny, mate.
This is a bloody way of life, mate. I live like this forever.
The vasectomy crab that hangs out in the healing waters of Wallabaloo. It clamps the vas deferens and ties off the ends. See, it wasn't wasted. 5 years at medical school. And at 6, MasterChef judge Greg Wallace has had his DNA implanted in a puppy embryo. The resulting animal has Greg's face and taste buds. Oh, not a fan of the coconut dew then? Yes, the Greg Wallace Puppy Hybrid, available from Harrods. At 5. At this fish and chip shop, I'm not sure they've got the oil hot enough in the fryer. Help me, please. I'm a stingray. I don't even taste nice. At 4. Don't you hate it when your left back leg keeps creeping up on you? That's it. You see it off. Uh-oh, here it comes again. It's behind you. Get back there. Good job he's sitting on the right one. At 3, the cat who waited. Every day he tries this. One day it might actually work. But not today. At 2.
Hey, don't bite me, please don't bite me. Hey.
Don't give him
you
ideas,
okay?
Mush.
Oh, poor guy, you okay?
I'll bite you in a minute.
Okay, shh, hey. Hey, don't bite me, please don't bite me. Don't bite me. Hey. Ow, he bit me.
That's right, give him one from me.
Cute little guy. Hey.
And another one in the neck.
Ah, Bobby, Bobby!
So we counted down to all kinds of animals, from giraffe to the death wish to a dog doing the conga. But what have we chosen as our number 1? At number 1. Good grief, it's the young Kevin Keegan. How does he dry off those lovely curly locks of his? Ah, nature's blow dryer. That's quite close enough. Salmon mini bites. If you think you've filmed a funnier animal, prove it. Send your tapes and DVDs to Free Post You've Been Framed, or just go to itv.com/framed, where you can upload your clips direct. Remember, you can get your hands on 250 quid if your clip is used in one of our programs. And don't forget to check out our website for terms and conditions. Until next time, cheerio!
Denise Van Outen and Catherine Ryan are just 2 of the guests joining the gang for Ian Sterling's Celebability tonight, right after New Love Island. While next up tonight, it's the first of a double 2.5 Men on ITV2.